The role of beagles in conservation efforts to track endangered species. Are beagles used in conservation efforts to track endangered species? Endangered species are at the forefront of global conservation efforts. These unique and often rare species face the threat of extinction due to various factors such as habitat destruction, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade. To protect and preserve these species, conservationists employ a range of innovative strategies, including the use of specially trained dogs like beagles. Beagles, with their keen sense of smell and natural curiosity, have long been recognized as excellent tracking dogs. Traditionally, they were primarily used for hunting small game, but their skills are now being harnesses for conservation purposes. These compact and agile dogs possess an extraordinary olfactory system that enables them to detect even the faintest scents, making them an ideal candidate for tracking endangered species in the wild. One particular area where beagles have been successful in conservation efforts is the tracking of elusive species such as the black-footed ferret. The black-footed ferret is one of the most endangered mammals in North America, with only a few hundred remaining in the wild. Due to their nocturnal nature and secretive behavior, monitoring and locating these ferrets can be a daunting task for researchers. However, beagles have proven their worth in aiding conservationists in their efforts to locate and monitor these elusive creatures. In recent years, beagles have been specifically trained to detect the scent of black-footed ferrets. Their training involves familiarizing them with the scent of the ferret and rewarding them when they successfully identify its smell. This training instills in them a strong motivation to actively search for the scent in the field, providing researchers with valuable information about the presence and distribution of these endangered animals. By employing beagles in this manner, conservationists have significantly improved their ability to monitor and protect the remaining black-footed ferret populations. Beagles have also been used in conservation efforts to track other endangered species, such as sea turtles. Sea turtles are highly migratory animals, traveling vast distances across oceans for feeding and nesting purposes. Gathering data on their movements and population dynamics is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. Beagles, with their exceptional sense of smell, have been trained to detect the scent of sea turtle nests, allowing researchers to identify and monitor nesting sites. The training process for beagles involved in sea turtle conservation typically includes exposing them to the scent of sea turtle nests and providing them with rewards for successful identification. Once trained, these dogs can be deployed in coastal areas to survey for nesting sites. By locating and monitoring sea turtle nests, researchers can implement protective measures, ensuring the survival of both eggs and hatchlings. Apart from their olfactory abilities, beagles are also preferred in conservation efforts due to their non-threatening nature. Their small size and friendly disposition allow them to interact easily with humans, which is crucial in situations where they may be working alongside researchers or in public areas. This makes beagles an ideal choice for tracking species in areas where human presence may be detrimental to wildlife. While the use of beagles in conservation efforts has shown promising results, it is important to note that they are just one piece of the puzzle. Effective conservation requires a combination of strategies, including habitat protection, community engagement, and policy enforcement. Beagles can complement these strategies by providing valuable data on the presence, distribution, and behavior of endangered species. In conclusion, beagles have increasingly become an integral part of conservation efforts to track endangered species. Their remarkable olfactory abilities, non-threatening nature, and trainable temperament make them ideal candidates for locating elusive species and monitoring their populations. By using beagles in conjunction with other conservation strategies, researchers and conservationists can gain valuable insights into the habitats and behaviors of endangered species, ultimately helping to ensure their survival for future generations.